saving the water and economically using it is more concerned at the present time. One of the main reasons against this is the overflow of water tanks. So, this is an attempt to overcome that. There are many ways to measure water level. Level measurement by floating switch, measure weight by strain gauge, and resistive type sensors, ultrasonic distance measuring, capacitive type sensors detect the change of dielectric material and then output whether there is a liquid or not. Developed circuit has mainly three units: 100 kHz signal generator, Schmitt Trigger NAND gates, RF transmitter and receiver. In the basic comparator, there are two inputs. One is threshold value and other one is the signal. If the signal higher than threshold value, op-amp output high voltage and make nice square wave. But if the signal is noisy, what will happen? This creates short low pulses at noise sensitive signal. In the Schmitt trigger, there are two threshold values, one for high threshold and the other for low threshold. The output goes high when the signal is above high threshold value, but it will not low until the signal drops below low threshold value. This way, Schmitt trigger output clean escalate. Here I have made the circuit on the breadboard. 555 timer output high frequency alternative signal, and then it goes through the capacitor, which is two conductive plates wrapped around the tank. When the water is present at the sensing plates, the output looks like this in oscilloscope, and the output drops to very low voltage when there is no water. To reduce interference, sensing plates are arranged in coaxial way.